dress, he took about washing machine.
Exactly.
We've got the hours this morning, there's a washing machine in there, but it's too late for that one as well.
Alright. Nice for that one.
That's good.
Oh.
Didn't you hear me say, oh, that's wrong.
Oh yeah, I didn't know what it was.
Paper says if they were up the wall, come down the wood, come down the meat with it. When I got up for the roller, he just folded it down over. So I put paint on the paper, paint on the wall, and shoved it back up, and opened the paint got it.
Oh.
No, but it's getting in trouble now, because the paint got all that off in paper.
Yeah.
Him to be home when he's home.
All right. Well, Jane's out for lunch then. What's on our tables?
Yeah, every couple of months, go for somewhere for dinner.
Debbie goes with her.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
How are you putting your spuds in? Dumping them in or putting the trench?
Or depends what time I got that. Try that glue double them in.
Because you're not much difference if you ain't got dung to put on, is it?
No.
Or you take more spuds you too, new potatoes?
I don't know what you doing.
Well, I got the same old spuds I got last year. I mean,
I don't want old ones.
Mother wants you to grow some for new potatoes, like.
well, I am got no new seed.
Well, I'll have to go get them.
I don't want those prison tellies we had last year.
Yeah, the ones you had early was alright, weren't they?
Our early ones was alright, yeah, but
You didn't have any seed left of them.
Hey, I've got plenty of seed left from them. Plenty of spuds down there from them.
yeah, that's the old ones, isn't it?
No, you
yeah, I don't want them.
You early ones that you grew.
I'd rather
No, I
buy
haven't
them.
got none of they left.
No.
I'd rather buy them.
I'll have to see if I can get.
Rubbish.
Well, I found the same sort of spuds as you was buying a basta and eating them.
Yeah, well,
And I grow them and they're bloody good.
no.
So,
No.
I'm out there in the water growers
Well,
for
I
the
don't,
any good.
I'm just telling you, I don't want them. That's all there is to that.
We're exactly the same. I got you know, it's nice to have potatoes that was grown and all that, but for the cost of them and that.
But half of the time they're full of bloody snuggles.
Well, it's in the snuggles. It's the blight, I think, that just get into the potato bed, I believe. But and the soil difference is different because you know